Hi friends, welcome to TechTouch channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to fix DCOM error code 0184 in Windows 10 and 11 PC. So before I start the video, please subscribe my channel for more latest video. Guys, you also facing this error. I will show you how to fix this error. First of all, right click on Start menu, click on Device Manager, then double click on Display Adapter. Then right click on Graphics, click on Uninstall Device. After uninstall, close this window, go to the command prompt, right click on command prompt, click on Run as Administrator, click on Yes. Here you type sfc space / scan now, hit enter. Wait for 100%. After complete the 100%, close this window, restart your PC or laptop, fix your problem. So in this way you fix DCOM error code 0184 in Windows 11 PC. Thanks for watching friends. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel.